Hi guys, in today's tutorial you will learn how to create fighting background scene with Plotagon characters. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for dropping by. So what we do is we make use of some apps to achieve this, and the apps are quite handy to have. They are available on Play Store or Apple Store, which I'll be showing you very soon. So please, what I want you to do is just follow me along, and the names of the app will be shown to you in the video. So what we'll do first is select any of the background we prefer. Okay, so I'm just downloading one. Alright, then once that is done, the next thing I do is to so let's try to just import the scene and get started. Please follow me along. So once I select my new character, just waiting for it to load as usual. Okay, then here I would be able to do whatever I want to do with the character. Okay, so it's left for me. So yeah, I'll be fast forwarding the video now. Now from here, the goal about it is make sure your character clothes is different from the background. Okay, so once I'm satisfied with the character wear, then I will try to give it a different background color. So I'll be making use of green. Okay, enough for me to have a specific background, and this is what I'm going to do for the other character as well. Okay, so which I might not really show you. All right, so once I will save that and save it to my gallery. So once I've done that, then the next thing for me to do is to go back to the plot. All right, so let's move on to that. Alright, so from here now, here I have the plots and other the characters. So what I want to do now is to try to see a way whereby I can export the background. Remember, we've saved the character. Okay, so I'm looking for a way to also export the background. That is, I don't want any character to be involved. So there I'll be making use of a ghost. Okay, a ghost character, just for me to have what do you call it, the background in a separate file. Okay, so here, enough for me to export it, at least I need to create a plot. Okay, so you can see what I'm just typing. Just make sure you blah 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 and blah, enough for you to be able to export the video. Okay, so once I'm done with that, what I will just do is to export without subtitle. Okay, so moving on to the next phase. Okay guys, so after you make use of um Plotagon story, the next app you are to use is Flipaclip, and the function of the Flipaclip is majorly to you use it to import your, remember this background is an audio, okay, is a video rather, not an audio, and you just need just one of it. So once you import your image, I mean your pictures, your videos into it, what you do next is um you could go to this. So you could see I've done mine, which lead me to have just one single frame. Then I can share it. Okay, let me show you what to do so that you will all be on the same page. If I click on plus and just type maybe um ti, okay, then select the project, and here I need to click on that TV button, okay, at the upper, the TV button up there. Then I select add a video. So what I need to do is to the video, which is this, okay, and I can just decide to reduce it and select okay. So after it has imported, you will notice I have about 3 frames. So from the 3 frame, click on this TV button up here beside the share icon. Then I can select frame view, click on one of the frame and select share at the bottom here beside the delete icon. Press share. There I can share it to wherever I want to share it. Now moving on to the app we'll use to edit, okay, to combine both the images and the background now, which are you with me? I've just done. Okay, so majorly you can use any of the editing app you are comfortable with, okay, and like I said, for this you can use anyone, you can use any of the app, which I will tell you later. Please stick along. Okay, so from here I just want to show you what has been done. So each character was brought into the scene. Remember, it's a green screen, right? So what I did was to remove the green background, okay, so we have for the character to align like this. So you can use any editing application that you could be able to remove green screen background, okay. Then I added the background image. Once I'm done, I save the project. Now to the main app that does the magic, let's go there, shall we? Okay, so you can see I've installed my own. It's asking me to update it, which I could also update it. Okay, so here is the application. Okay, I believe it's trying to tell me to update, or let me see. Okay, let me see, try to cancel it now. And so what you want to look for is this KungFu club. So sometimes you might not see it, you need to click on the trending, that is where you have see all, then you look for the one that says KungFu club. Once you click on it, you need to add that image, okay, you need to add that image of yours. Okay, so this is the image, so click on it. Then I can delete the sound away. Okay, so once I click on it, so what I'll just do now is to click on create. Okay, so you can see decide to use some speech and some other this thing you like, okay, but that is not for this tutorial. So just click on create and leave it, let the magic roll. Okay, so it also comes with a pro version. Once you find it interesting, you can as well purchase the pro version. Okay, So I'm using the light version now. All right, so from here, click here, so it's generating. Okay, so it says my video is ready to go. So once I click on it, let's see the magic. So let's give it time to load. So can you see it? Can you see the magic? So that is how to create that's how to make Plotagon character fight. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.